I'm Dr. Annu, MBBS MS Obs and Gynae from Delhi, and I did my SARship from PGIMS Rohtak Medical College, Haryana. And in my career, I never did hysteroscopy training or never did hysteroscopy notice also. So I started here in Tulip Institute under guidance of Dr. Anupama Sethi Arora ma'am, and she taught us very basic tips regarding tips and tricks regarding hysteroscopy. So I'm in 2 days training program. I'm very confident, like I can now do office hysteroscopy and basic small OPD procedures in hysteroscopy, and I'm hoping to start hysteroscopy very soon. So I hope I will do more trainings from this Tulip Institute.